The directions state to evaluate the expression using the given numbers. The expression is mc squared, and they give us two values, one for m and one for c. First thing I'm going to do is actually just rewrite the expression. It is m times c squared. I'm going to write it again, but instead of m, I'm going to write in what m is equal to. So I'm going to replace m with 3.9 times 10 to the 7. I'm going to replace c with what c is equal to. So instead of c squared, I'm going to write 3 times 10 to the 8. And then I have to square that because c is squared. Following order of operations, I'm going to have to square my c first. And so this piece is what I'm going to do first, right here. I'm going to go ahead and bring down the 3.9 times 10 to the 7 because I'm not doing anything with that right now. So we'll just bring it down so I don't forget it, and then work on this piece right here. Because everything inside the parentheses is being multiplied, I can actually take this square power and apply it to each piece inside. So I can take 3 and square that, times, and then I can take 10 to the 8 and square that as well. Again, we'll just bring this down because we're not doing anything with that yet. Now, if I square 3, I'm going to get 9 times. When you raise a power to a power, you multiply the exponents. And so the 8 and the 2 will be multiplied to get me 16. So that's the new exponent. Now it's time to do our multiplication. I want you to notice that everything here is being multiplied. I have 3.9 times 10 to the 7 times 9 times 10 to the 16. So you can move things around because everything is being multiplied. So I'm going to move 3.9, and then I'm going to take 9 and move that next to it. So I took this 9 and moved it next to it, times 10 to the 7 times 10 to the 16. My plan of attack is this. I'm going to multiply these two together and get an answer, and then I'm going to multiply these two together and get an answer. 3.9 times 9. 3.9 times 9 is 35.1. Here, I'm going to take 10 to the 7th times 10 to the 16th. The rule is this. The rule for multiplying with exponents is when you take x to the a times x to the b, you keep the base of x and you add your exponents, a plus b. So this is the rule that we're going to be using in order to work out this piece right here. So 10 to the 7 times 10 to the 16, we're going to keep the base of 10 and add the 7 plus 16. Because 7 plus 16 gets me 23, I end up with 10 to the 23. Unfortunately, this is not our final answer, because in order for this to be true scientific notation, this number here has to be between 1 and 10, and it's not. 35 is greater than 10. So what I'm going to do is rewrite this number, 35.1, in scientific notation. 35.1 can be written in scientific notation by moving my decimal over one place to the left. That makes it 3.51 times 10 to the 1. I still need to bring down my 10 to the 23. Almost done. Now notice 3.51 is between 1 and 10, so that fits our criteria. The last thing I need to do is take these two and combine them. Notice that they have the same base, so I'm going to bring down 3.51 times. Because they have the same base, I will keep that base, and then because I'm multiplying, I will add the exponents to get a power of 24. 1 plus 23 is 24, and that's my final answer.